Hello, my dear friends. Today we will speak with you in English, and I want to present you my topic. It is managing remote teams, best team building activities for remote teams. Why I choose this topic? Actually, it was my second topic for choosing because I want to talk with you about managing remote teams in general. But when I start to prepare this presentation, I realize that it will be a little boring or something. That's why I select not so big topic, and today we will talk about best team building activities for remote teams, which I found for you. Okay, what we're talking about? The first of all, the rise of remote work. The second, what is remote team building? Why is remote team building important? And 20 of the best team building activities for remote teams. And as a good bonus, it will be the great tools for virtual team building, which you can use in work with your team. Let's start. Mm, Okay. Uh, Keeping your remote workers together as a team, it's always challenge. When you are not together in person, the all important elements of good communication, support, joint goals, and of course fun can get lost. And you should be agree if you have experience of work by remote. You need to make sure you keep your team alive remotely, and this is not so easy usually. Managers of remote teams need to be constantly leading new ways to engage and connect remote employees. This includes building and maintaining strong relationship with the team, no matter where they are for now. And it is good if they are all in the same country with you and you speak at the same language, and not so easy when this situation is different. And but fear not, whether you are a newly remote team or have been doing it for years but need a refresh. There are plenty of team buildings of activities that you can do remotely, and today I want to talk with you about them. First of all, it will be good to mention why we have so great perk as remote work. And first of all, we should thanks to COVID-19 pandemic, which acted as a catalyst, forcing organization worldwide to transition to remote work to ensure business continuity and employee safety. Uh, I believe that remote work has implication for both employers and employees, offering cost savings in terms of office space, commuting expenses, name them all. Um, there are a lot of benefits and specialness of rise of remote about remote work rising, but I guess you will read about them by themselves. We want to hear something interesting. What is remote team building? In basics, remote team building is the effort of building connection between remote employees to mimic physical teams for the sake of morale, productivity, engagement, and overall results. It can also help employees to feel normal during holidays and social periods of time like Christmas, Valentine's Day, Blue Monday, etc. Why is remote team building important? Because the same as for not remote teams, each team should be built before it become productive, great, and how to say, uh, when it becomes the team you will remember forever. When an employee has a strong team around them, a support system is created. They feel empowered and are able to share their ideas better if they know who is listening. Remote working can be isolating and lonely at times, so creating a sense of togetherness can help to boost morale and happiness in time of difficulty. When employees really know their teammates and their strengths, they can collaborate better for amazing results. Team building plays a big role in building a strong company culture. Having a company culture in place, especially remotely, will help you improve internal and external communication. And yes, if you think that team building it is only the day when you can drink with your colleagues, you are wrong. Team building is bigger process, and now I want to show you another way how to do this. Please look at the list of 20 best team building activities for remote teams, and first of them, um, it will be create a virtual break room. For now, there are few abilities to create such virtual 3D room where you can mm, meet online, uh, team build, organize event and host meetings, create your own avatar. Even you can create your virtual 3D office with different funny moments, and make it like a game. And in process of this game, your life as a remote team member will be easier. The second one, you can start doing tours of remote working location. As for me, it looks very interesting, but it is not so easy because you should clean your house, but and make that everything will be maximum, how to say, appropriate. But as for me, idea is very good. Each of team members can walk with the camera through his apartment or house or igloo or where you live in now and show where did you live, and make closer to each other as result. At the third place, we have hold virtual company events. For this moment, I can use the word Igorko just typing. Unfortunately, yeah. Real events always better than virtual events, but if we have no another choice, why not? Four, start a good news conversation. It can get lonely working remotely, and sometimes you need a little bit of non-work related good news to brighten up your day. By creating a good news conversation channel, you give your team members an outlet to share things that have happened to them that made them happy. For example, a coworker could share that they have been able to get their toddler to eat vegetables after a long period of resistance, or someone has just played a great song and it boosted their mood, etc. Or you can even show how how good you in some hobbies or something like that. Good, good one for me. Number five, encourage recognition. One of the key benefits of being part of team is having the support of your team members to keep you going, combined with their celebration of your achievements. But you have to nurture this when your team is remote, as you are not there to say thank you in person. When employees celebrate and appreciate each other's hard work, it brings the team together no matter where they based. And maybe if you didn't know, to say good words to each other make you better persons. Number six, set friendly challenges. It can be anything. 30 days fitness challenge or 30 days without eating mayo or drinking beer, or ravers who will drink more beer. All of these challenges can make your life as a team member more interesting and funny in some way. Seven, introduce a show and learn session. Every single member of your team will have a unique skill or talent that the rest of the team would benefit for learning more about. And why not? Maybe you dance very nice, or you can build a tower with, I don't know, macaroons. You from IT, you have a lot of money for macaroons, or another things which can be interesting for your team members and can open you as a person from another side, not only as a specialist in developing quality assurance or another. It can be good for your team building. Number eight, send daily snapshots. Very good as for me. A variant here is one of my hobby collection. Sometimes when screen frozen, I made funny photos of my colleagues, or you can make it like a challenge. Who will make best or funniest photo of your team member during the meeting win. And also, good photos is always good idea. Number nine, connecting members that usually don't work together. Sometimes it can be easy to fall into the routine of chatting to the people that you regularly work with, and rarely branching out to chat with those within your team. But outside of your close colleagues, especially if you don't see these people, just their names and on a screen. You can organize this in Slack or Teams, put team names into a hat and pull out pairs to have a virtual coffee or meeting that week, or virtual borscht, virtual, I don't know, potato with kotletka. Each of these options will make you closer. Next one is 10. Bring the Friday feeling to the whole team. After a long working week, by the time it gets to Friday, most of your team members will just want to kick back with a cold beverage. So why not drink them together? Host this last thing on a Friday, so it's still technically in work, and ensures that all members of the team are around to socialize. This sounds simple, but not always easy to realize this. And number 11, host remote workshops and classes. Often team members have similar interests, but when working remotely, it can be hard to figure out who is also studying Italian, learning to code, or super into personal development. Figure out of this can help you build a better team building. 12. Organize virtual workout session. Time to put the exercise in team building exercise. Um, I don't know how popular it can be, but maybe. 13. Get together in winter virtual book clubs. Looks understandable. Book club inside the team can make you closer and can help you find similar interests in about the same authors, about the same books. Book can make you closer. 14. Enjoy lunch and dinner boxes together. Sound like something from the school, but food is good way to make your team closer. 15. Host joint meditation session. I'm not sure that this is the perfect idea for Ukraine, but it will be nice to see my team in such dresses like this and sitting in such poses. Yeah, it will make me more happy as team member. Think about this. Just try to imagine your project manager sitting in such position and dressed like this. Number 16, take personality tests and discuss their results. It's hard to form a human connection through a screen. You will most likely only speak to your team members when you really need to in a professional settings. Getting to know what kind of people they are and what makes them tick is difficult in that case, but exactly that information could make working together a little bit easier, especially when you have no ability to meet each other and drink with each other. That can help. One of my favorite, organize DIY and cooking activities. People love to show their skills, and those are not always job related. If you want to boost creativity, start a Pinterest board with DIY projects that employees can work on in their free time. Include projects in different levels of difficulty to make it accessible to everyone and to make something tasty together. It's always a good idea, I guess. Playing online game together, I uh, know that this is a good idea, but want to notify that we're talking about games together. We not only think about video games. It can be the table game or another kind of games which can make us closer and make um, part of happiness in our working life. Number 19. Try live remote co-working. Where you working from home, you can be missing the interaction you have with your coworkers, the fun little distraction, but also the accountability you feel in an office where everyone is focused. Likely, you can kind of mimic that feeling with live remote co-working. You can set up a virtual office with a conference call or virtual meeting. Teams log on in the morning and work like normal over video. This means that casual conversation can flow while you teams are working and employees can feel motivated but seeing each other hard at work. And number 20, last but not least, participate in a virtual trash challenge. The idea is simple. Everyone pick a park of space near their house and goes to clean it up. People take before and after pictures to show what positive impact they and their team's member have made. As for me, the brilliant idea, because it includes all we love the workout at the fresh air to make something good and show how good you are. To make these 20 position available, there are a list of tools which can help you, and there is the list and a little description what how they can help you. Please check and look if they will be good for you. Nice. And as conclusions, years ago, it seemed impossible to get together a group of people who haven't and won't even meet and have them create a product or service that is used all over the world. But now, some of the most loved SaaS companies are built by teams who have never met face to face. Don't they need some form of connection? Yes, they do. But we humans have perfectly adapted to building those online as well, and with countless tools for virtual team building, it has become easier than ever before. Now go and make your remote team great and happy with this information you get from me. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, please be active. Thank you. Yes,
I have one question. In activity number 20, how can we determine that person really were cleaning a territory, but not taking a photo of a clean territory first, then throwing trash there and just send photo in opposite direction?
It's difficult, but you can add as a rule that team or any employee should make a photo before and photo out after with his face. As for me, it will be enough.
Yeah, and we need people to be honest each with other.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.